Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to do the practical experimentation on transient response of RC network. So the circuit diagram for the given network is, so this is the signal generator connected to an resistance of 100 ohm and connected to an capacitance box. This is called variable capacitance box and we can adjust the capacitance. So this experiment we are carrying with 1 microfarad as well as at 2 microfarad, and the circuit diagram is like this. We have an signal generator R and an decade capacitance box, and we are setting this decade capacitance box to a value of 2 microfarad and we are connecting across the CRO. So the experimental setup requires functional generator or signal generator, and we require an cathode ray oscilloscope. How to set the signal we'll see here. So initially we want to set the signal. So these are the two terminals of the signal generator. So positive terminal is connected to the input of the signal generator and output of the signal generator is connected to here, and we need to initially reset. So initial reset you have to do it and keep it in the mode of DC mode and just give the power to the oscilloscope. See here we are keeping in the range of 1000 kilohertz and the operating frequency is 200 hertz, and we are setting the magnitude peak to peak magnitude. So here we have two axes. This is horizontal axis, this is vertical axis. Horizontal axis is with respect to time, vertical axis is with respect to voltage. So horizontal axis we have to set peak to peak voltage as 10 volts. Here you can see here each division is 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 1. Similarly, you come down, this magnitude is 1 and this magnitude is 1, resultantly 1 plus 1 is 2 volts. So the resultant amplitude is 2 volts multiplied with the voltage 2 into 5, which is nothing but 10 volts. Now this reference signal magnitude from this point to this point is around 10 volts. This is the peak to peak voltage. So now we want to give the connections. So after completing the initial setting, remove the cathode ray oscilloscope and we'll try to give the RC connections. So from the positive terminal of the signal generator is connected to the decade resistance box, and output of the decade resistance box is connected to the input of the capacitance box, and output of the capacitance box is connected to the CRO. Okay, so you can see here this is a closed path. So supply comes here, it goes to inductor.